welcome back to Mills Cottage. I'm Rebecca. This is Jonathan, and today we are back with a greenhouse build update. Today we are starting on the wall frames, correct? And so I'm going to show you guys what we've done so far, and John's going to kind of give you a little bit explanation of what he's doing. Okay, so here was what we have. This is the back of the greenhouse, and when you are looking at the greenhouse from the front, this is going to be the back wall, left side, bottom, top, right. And so we measured it out to 7.5 feet or 7 foot tall.
7'3".
7'3". So from the bottom to the top, it would be 7'3".
So about 7 foot.
7
We were
foot.
gonna do 8, but that's about 4 or 5 feet over our fence.
Yeah, so it's too tall. But so we did 7'3" tall, and then how much is it from end to end?
Side to side.
Yeah.
It's 9.5.
9.5. Okay.
Altogether, the structure is gonna be 10 by 10, but I made room for the corner posts that are gonna be connecting all of the walls together.
Awesome. You were making it up as we go?
You gotta make it up as you go.
Yeah.
Like, build within your means.
Right. So
everyone says live within your means, but
build within your means.
That's correct.
So we did every 2 feet for the stud, and this is the back. And I'm super excited. That's all the wood we have as of right now. So next thing we got to do is go back to the lumber yard, get some more pieces, build some more walls. Yeah, so we'll paint it and then build the other 3 sides and then get it going. So excited. There's walls going up. Pretty cool. Okay, we have the back wall up on stand. It's pretty exciting.
It's pretty cool.
Pretty cool. I'm super stoked. So that's where that one will go. And then we'll have 3 more right here. Super cool. Yay!
So this side is still gonna have windows, but since we don't know the size,
We're not gonna do the clear paneling thing, right?
we're gonna do it with the windows.
On the roof.
On the roof, we're gonna do the corrugated.
Oh, okay.
And
Now it's all crooked. Hello. Wait. Nice. This is what you gotta do when you don't have a truck, but you have an SUV. You roll down the window and put the wood through it. Ayy. That'll do. That'll stay. What is it that they say? I ain't going nowhere. That ain't going nowhere.
You're real country, you say. Is this? It'll ride.
It'll ride.
A little bit heavier.
You better put this car in tow, buddy. I tell you what, son. We got this what we on board right in the car. We're gonna take it home. Do your thing.
What?
Do the country.
The Cajun thing?
Yeah.
Or
the Raleigh, the grandparents that you told me about?
Oh, yeah. I can't understand. Yeah, no, we're going the thing right now.
What, you want over doing it?
Yeah, we're going to build that thing right now. Yeah. Oh, you say it's on Marine Corps?
You want to say the Marine Corps?
I heard Marine Corps. What'd you guys otherwise? I was like, somebody help translate.
Translation. Y'all pray we make this home. Okay. Cody is over here helping us. He's our neighbor. They put up the 4th wall frame. It looks great. Okay, so it's been a few days later, weeks, you would say, and we have some windows. We have how many? 4?
3.
3? We have 3 windows we found at some antique stores in Athens, and we're gonna add them into, that's kind of the next phase of the greenhouse, is adding the windows to the frames and getting that all together. So John is here. Do you want to say anything about the windows?
No, we can just...
You want to show them?
Show them.
Okay, hold on. Okay, so here's one window.
This is the smaller of the 3.
Uh-huh.
So, I mean, we can put it in there anywhere we want, really.
Yeah.
If we want to, but what I'm going to do, usually windows, traditional windows you get, they're going to have like a flange that comes out, and then you screw the flange into the whatever frame you built. But these are older ones. They're meant to just go in and slide through the little grooves. But we don't have that luxury because these are antique windows. So what's going to end up happening is I'm going to cut this to size to make a frame so that we can put in screws
From the bottom?
through the bottom of the wood. And you have the little window seal if you need it.
Oh, that's going to be cool to put like little plants or whatever there. Seedlings.
And then my plan to get them to be able to open is just going to, let me pretend we reversed it. And this is down here. You come see this?
Yeah, okay.
Whatever piece of wood is under this wood, the frame that I'm going to build in the frame of the greenhouse, to put this in, I'm just going to put a hinge in the middle here to connect to that.
Oh, cool.
So it'll still open, and then there'll just be a latch on the inside of this side.
Oh, cool.
So you'll be able to push it out, and then it'll stop. I'll
Very
put like
cool.
little chains or something, so it just like
Yeah.
will sit like that. And then if you ever want to close it, you just lift it back up.
Oh, that'll be
latch it
cute.
down.
Yeah, are you excited about it? Are you nervous?
A little bit, just because I've never done like, I've never framed a window.
Yeah.
I have put a window into a frame,
Right.
but as far as having to find ways around it to like improvise is it's gonna be tricky.
Let me put this back for you. Okay, guys, that's going to be it for this installment of the greenhouse. We are slowly trucking along, and we're just taking it as we can. At the beginning, I was like, we're going to get this done in 2 months.
Yeah.
It's been probably 6 months.
Yeah.
At least. So we're just taking it as we can, and if you didn't know, we're engaged. We got engaged on Monday, and so we're also trying to enjoy that and save money for that. So this greenhouse will be built eventually, and we're just enjoying it, and we hope you guys enjoy our videos together. You want to say anything? Okay. All right. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. We'll see you later.
Bye.